In today's video, I'll show you guys how to fix Denuvo Tried to delete the token. Is the Hypervisor Running error in this avatar furnitures of Pandora? To fix this error, you need to update the game. Here is the update list. Fixes the Denuvo token direction issue for Intel CPUs. Check my video description for more information. Once you have this, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. And drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, launch the game. The game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.